Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best car dash cam in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Optpeak H6 Mirror Dash Cam. The Optpeak H6 Mirror Dash Cam provides a 12-inch large screen display, real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. It uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor that process frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. It also front camera adopted Sony Starvis IMX415, captures native 4K UHD footage with stunning details than ever. License plates in distance that are unreadable in 1080 pixel or other resolutions are very crisp in 4K video. The app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dash cam's Wi-Fi. It also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent an overwrite. It also monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates, tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur. Crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. This mirror dash cam uses strong light suppression and AHD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. Number 4. GADGET 10" Mirror Dash Cam. The GADGET Mirror Dash Cam provide 10-inch full touchscreen dash cam, both 1080 pixel front and 1080 pixel rear camera with a 170-degree wide-angle lens. The camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. This camera has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. This dash cam both 1080 pixel front and 1080 pixel backup camera presents super night vision in low light conditions, and the backup camera display with guidelines assist you safe parking. It also G sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, thus protecting your high quality recordings. If DVR be shocked by any external forces, like a thief, while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. It comes with high-quality images that help identify important details such as license plates, driver movements, and road functions that may prove your innocence. It also time-lapse video can be continuously recorded for 24 hours, more secure and convenient. Number 3. Viofo A119 V3 Car Dash Cam. The A119 V3 dash cam provide advanced 5-megapixel IMX335 Sony Starvis sensor and f1.67G lens at 2160 pixel QHD plus resolution and 60 by 30 frames per second. The car camera shoots in stunning quality during the day and night, making it easier to read license plates and capture incidents with superb clarity. Its 140-degree angle prevents a fisheye view, while still providing a wide view of the road. The A119 V3 dash camera will record real-time speed, time, and GPS route in the video file, allowing compatible viewers to display the data on playback. This dash cam provide a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night. HDR function can automatically balance the lighting at overbright and overdark area. Capture clear license plate even under strong car lights at night. It also G sensor can turn on the emergency recording mode by sensing the acceleration and intensity of the vehicle in all directions to record the brake of the vehicle or the event in a collision. With G sensor, the current footage will be locked automatically to avoid being overwritten during emergency events. The V3 uses a super high quality capacitor to ensure a more stable power and longer lifetime. This supercapacitor ensures excellent performance of the dash cam in harsh climate from -10 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. It also parking mode provides 24-hour surveillance on your parked vehicle. Number 2. ASDOME G-S63H Car Dash Cam. The ASDOME G-S63H Dash Cam provide 4K UHD videos at 2880 by 2160 pixel, backed by Novatec NT96660 processor and a best-in-class OV4689 ultra-low light capture 4 megapixel CMOS sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows 170-degree field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. This car dash cam equipped f/1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details, like number plates, with more accuracy even in low light. It also time-lapse video allows you to capture specific images per second at a much lower rate. So when you combine and play those images at the normal rate, everything seems to be moving faster in time-lapse. The GPS dash camera records the driving trajectory and speed accurately for you to view later. It also 24-hour parking monitor works on an internal battery. If someone hits your car and impact reaches the G sensor level, then the camera will turn on and record 1-minute video, then locks it and saves it. Number 1. 70mm Car Dash Cam. The Smart Dash Cam 1S enables you to achieve 1080 pixel Full HD resolution, records every detail on the road for you, and 130-degree ultra-wide angle to reduce blind spots and obtain full 3-lane coverage. This car dash cam equipped with the built-in G sensor, Smart Dash Cam 1S can automatically record an emergency situation and have the videos saved. All of the emergency videos are safely locked as event filter to prevent an overwrite. The 70mm dash cam provide you a safe and hands-free using experience. You may use voice commands to use your cam. This car cam recorder can let you easily control it to take pictures and record video just with your voice. The dash cam automatically overwrites the oldest videos with the latest ones. The videos can be automatically saved and stored locally on a micro South Dakota memory card while driving, which ensures the video evidence will be captured and safely secured from overwriting. This dash cam equipped with Starvis sensor and f/1.8 large aperture greatly improves the details recorded in backlight and low-light environments, capture clear images even at night. To ensure the driving safety, the built-in 240 mAh battery enable the dash camera to provide 24-hour parking monitor while the car